Mr. Veronica and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So guys, can you see some change on my face, basically on my skin? Seems that my skin has become more fairer and more good and glowing too. This is because I have started using a particular beautiful moisturizer, serum moisturizer cream kind of thing, which I'm going to show it to you guys today. And guys, I have shooted it like 10 days ago. 10 days, last from 10 days I'm using this moisturizer regularly 2 times a day, and trust me, I have seen a huge visible change on my skin. And today I'm going to show you, today I'm going to tell you each and every single detail about this product and how it works, and it is too affordable and totally natural. So guys, without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, recently I bought one product which claims that it is going to give you a permanent glowing or skin whitening kind of thing. So I was just like, I think I should order it. So I ordered it like 2-3 days ago. So yesterday I received my product. So the product name is A Naturals. It's from A Naturals Roop Sundar. It is like this. You can see. I think many of you are aware of it because this is a very viral product on YouTube. Many YouTubers make video on it, as it is going to give you a permanent fairness kind of thing, or it will gonna make your skin so glowy and so spotless and like that in just 10 days. It claims, it is also written on the bottle, that it will give you visible results in just 10 days. You can see it is written here. So guys, today is a day 1 and trust me, I haven't used this. Today I'm going to use it for the first time and I'm going to shoot it. Today I'm going to shoot it. Today is a day 1 and after 10 days I'm going to shoot it again, that how this works on myself. What is the review, because I'm going to use it on myself today only. So I'm going to show you. First of all, let me tell you about the product and everything. Product, it comes in a glass bottle with a metallic cap on the top. You can see it is like A Naturals Roop Sundar. It is like 30 gram. The quantity is 30 gram. And the best thing guys, and the best thing which I found in this Roop Sundar is that this is totally natural. There is no chemical or there is nothing like that added. The product is totally natural. Let me tell you about the ingredients. Ingredients are too good guys, that's why I ordered this one. This is like shea butter, aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil, kojic acid, then there is glycerin, then there is aqua, and there are many other herbal things. So this is totally herbal, there is no side effect. And let me tell you about the benefits guys. Benefits is reduces pimples and acne. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of acne, so it reduces acne, provides sun protection, then moisturize your skin, suitable for all skin type, makes your skin tone lighter. Now this one is very, very important. It will gonna give you a very fair complexion, give you desired complexion with an instant glow, and in just 10 days result is totally visible. So guys, now today is a day 1 and now I'm going to use it. I'm going to show you each and everything. So now I'm going to apply it. Okay, it's in a creamish yellow kind of shade. You can see it smells too good, totally herbal, and it smells like sandalwood powder, chandan powder. I must say it smells like it. Now I'm going, right now beauties, I'm not wearing anything on my face. You can see no makeup, nothing. I'm wearing just lipstick and I'm done with my brows, and on my face I'm wearing nothing. You can see that's why my pimples are very easily visible. So now I'm going to apply this. guys, this is totally mattifying. This is non-greasy at all. And it is suitable for all skin types. So this is the best thing which I found. And it is very affordable too. Let's see it will gonna give the best result or not. Today is a day 1. This is the first time I'm using this and I'm hoping for the best. So I applied it, and beauties, you have to apply it 2 times a day. Once in the morning after washing your face, and second in the evening. Second in the night, not in the evening, second in the night before going to sleep. The 2 times you have to apply it regularly, and in just 10 days you will start seeing the visible results. So it's like, okay, today's a day 1, I applied it and everything, and now beauties, I'm going to do this regularly for 10 days, and after 10 days I'm going to shoot video for you again that you can see the change or not on me. So beauties, I will see you after 10 days. So beauties, now today is the 10th day, and can you see the change on my face, on my skin? Hope you can see my pimple spots are totally reduced, and right now, trust me, I'm not wearing any makeup or anything on my face. Even I'm not wearing lipstick also, not any lipstick, eyebrows, nothing. I'm wearing nothing, totally. You can see I just washed my face with my regular face wash and just applied a simple moisturizer. And now you can see, and I'm still continuously using that Roop Sundar serum, or you must say a moisturizer, 2 times daily, and hope you guys can see the change. And one more thing guys, I want to tell you that it also reduces my dark circles. It also gives you even skin tone, glowing skin, and this is seriously amazing, like too good. I'm totally impressed with this. This is too good. At last, I am recommending you go with this Roop Sundar. This is too good. I am totally in love with this. I can clearly see the change, and the best thing is that this is totally herbal and this is suitable for all skin types. If you are having an acne prone skin, still you can use it. This is totally herbal. This is totally natural, and this is non-greasy, and it blends too good. It's just like, it is too good. I can't explain this. Seriously, this is too good. I'm recommending you guys, you should go with this. So guys, I'm going to share the link of this product. If you want to buy this product, don't forget to check my description box. I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. Just try this. This will gonna give you visible results in just 10 days. Just go and guys, please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. If you want to make me a review on a particular product or something like that, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much. Bye beauties, take care, and I love you.